Hello, good morning student. Today we will discuss about the density of the unit cell. First, we revise the yesterday topic, packing efficiency. Packing efficiency is the percentage of total space filled by the particle. Packing efficiency in SCP and CCP or FCC lattice is 74%, and packing efficiency in BCC, body center cubic arrangement, is 68%. Packing efficiency in simple cubic lattice or primitive arrangement is 52.4. Out of these three different arrangements, SCP and CCP have maximum packing efficiency. How formula of a compound can be calculated by using the arrangement of the constituent particle and number of space occupied by the constituent particle. When the particle are close packed, resulting in their CCP or SCP structure, two types of voids are formed. Number of octahedral void present in a lattice is equal to the number of close packed particle, and number of tetrahedral void generated is twice the number of the close packed particle. In ionic solid, the bigger ion, usually anions, form the close packed structure, and smaller ion, usually cation, occupy the void. If the cation is small, then the tetrahedral void are occupied, and if the cation is bigger, then the octahedral void are occupied. How this formula of a compound calculate? See by this numerical atom of element B form SCP lattice, SCP arrangement. SCP arrangement in which the coordination number is 12 and the packing efficiency is 74%. And those of the element A occupy 2/3 of tetrahedral voids. What is the formula of the compound formed by the element A and B? Number of tetrahedral void formed is twice the number of atom of element B, because B element form the close packed structure. If we consider the number of close packed particle B is equal to X, then the tetrahedral void is double, that means 2X. Out of this 2X, 2/3 space occupied by the constituent particle, that is A. Hence, the ratio of the number of atom of A and B is 2 into 2/3 is to 4 or 4 is to 3. And the formula of compound therefore is A4B3. Next example. A compound is formed by two elements X and Y. Atom of element Y as a anion makes CCP, and those of element X as a cation occupy all the octahedral void. What is the formula of the compound? Compound Y makes the crystal, and compound compound element X occupy the octahedral void. The CCP lattice is formed by the element Y, and the number of octahedral void generated will be equal to the number of the atom of Y present in it, because Y form the crystal. Since all the octahedral voids are occupied by the atom X, therefore the number of atom is equal to that of the Y. Thus the atom of element X and Y present in equal number or 1:1. Therefore the formula of compound is XY. The constituent particle X and Y here. Now extra information for a binary compound. If the negative ion constitute the space lattice and all the octahedral holes are occupied, then the formula of the ionic compound is AB. If all the tetrahedral holes are occupied, the formula of ionic compound is A2B. If half of the tetrahedral holes are occupied, then the formula is AB. NaCl, rock salt, CaCl, ZnS are compounds of AB type. CaF2, SrF2 are compound of AB2 type. How arrangement of the constituent particle in an antifluoride structure, that is sodium oxide Na2. In antifluoride structure, the anions are arranged in a cubic close packing, while cation occupy all the tetrahedral voids. In antifluoride, the anions form the crystal and cation occupy the voids or the gap. The oxide ion is in contact with 8 sodium ions. Sodium occupy at the white place. Oxide ion is in contact with the 8 sodium ions, whereas each sodium ion is in contact with the 4 oxide ion. In fluoride structure, CaF2, calcium ion as having face center cubic lattice, opposite to that antifluoride. Antifluoride in which the anion makes the close pack arrangement, but in fluoride, calcium ions, cations makes the face center cubic lattice, and anions, fluoride ions occupy all the tetrahedral voids in the lattice of the calcium ion. In this, each calcium is in contact with 8 fluoride ions, and each fluoride ion is in contact with 4 calcium ions. Thus, the coordination number of calcium ion is 8 and that of fluoride ion is 4. Now, locating the octahedral voids in the FCC arrangement. In closed structure, have both octahedral and tetrahedral void. In a CCP pattern, CCP that means FCC. FCC in which the constituent particle present at the center of the each face. There is a one octahedral void at the center of the body, and these octahedral void at the center of the body form due to the combination of joining the 6 at constituent particle present at the center of the each face to form this one octahedral void at the center of the body in the CCP pattern, and 12 octahedral void on each of the 12 edges of the cube. This voids on the edge is surrounded by 6 atoms, 4 belonging to the same unit cell, 2 on the corner and 2 on the face center, and 2 belonging to 2 adjacent unit cells. Thus, in a cubic close pack structure, octahedral void at the body center of the cube is 1. And 12 octahedral void located at each edge and share between the 4 unit cell. Therefore, 12 into 1 by 4 is equal to 3 octahedral void generated at the edge and 1 at the body center. Therefore, the total number of octahedral void is 4. In FCC, the number of atoms per unit cell is also 4. This confirms that in CCP or FCC structure, each unit cell has a 4 atom. Thus, the number of octahedral voids is equal to the number of the atom. Locating the tetrahedral void now. Consider CCP or FCC arrangement, same arrangement. 12 coordination number, 74 packing efficiency. The unit cell divided into 8 small cube. Each small cube has atom at the alternate corner. In all, each small cube has 4 atoms. When these 4 atoms join to each other, they make a regular tetrahedron. Tetrahedral voids generate. This tetrahedral void generate from the 4 atoms on the 4 edge of the small cube. Thus, there is a 1 tetrahedral void in each small cube and 8 in total. In CCP structure has the 4 atom per unit cell, and the tetrahedral void is 8. Thus, the number of tetrahedral voids is double the number of the atom. Now, more important topic of the chapter, density of the unit cell. Very important. Suppose age of the unit cell of a cubic crystal by determining diffraction is a picometer. Age length is a picometer considered. Density of the solid substance is D. Molar mass is capital M. In cubic arrangement, all the side that means age length A is equal to B is equal to C. Therefore, the volume of the unit cell, cubic unit cell, is equal to A cube, and mass of unit cell is equal to number of atom in unit cell into mass of each atom. Number of atom in unit cell, mass of unit cell is equal to number of atom in unit cell into mass of each atom, and number of atom in unit cell denoted by Z, and small m is the mass of each atom. Z is equal to 1 for simple cubic arrangement or the primitive arrangement, and Z is equal to 2 for BCC, body center cubic arrangement. Z is equal to 4 for FCC, face center cubic arrangement, and small m is the mass of each atom. Mass of each atom is equal to capital M molar mass divided by the Avogadro's number. Therefore, density of the unit cell is equal to mass of unit cell, that means Z into M, divided by volume of the unit cell. Volume of the unit cell A cube, and capital M is equal to small m is equal to capital M divided by Avogadro's number. Therefore, density is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Avogadro's number. Very important formula. Density is equal to D is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na, Avogadro's number. Remember that density of the unit cell is same as that of the density of the substance. Here five term use: density, Z, M, A cube, A, and Avogadro's number. Out of these 5 parameters, if we know any 4 quantity, the 5th quantity can be calculated. How this density, any quantity out of 5, one quantity calculated? See by the numericals. First numerical: X-ray diffraction studies shows that copper crystallizes in a FCC lattice with cell age of 3.608 into 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter. In a separate experiment, copper is determined to have density of 8.92 gram per centimeter cube. Calculate the atomic mass of copper. Here arrangement is FCC. Number of atom per unit cell Z is equal to 4. We have to calculate atomic mass. Atomic mass is equal to density into Avogadro's number into A cube divided by Z. Density is given 8.92 gram per centimeter cube into Avogadro's number 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 atom per mole into edge length. Edge length is given 3.608 into 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter cube, A cube, divided by FCC arrangement Z is equal to 4. To calculating all this value to obtain the 63.1 gram per mole. Therefore, the atomic mass of copper is equal to 63.1 unified U. Second numerical: silver forms CCP lattice. CCP means FCC. FCC lattice in which Z is equal to the 4. And X-ray studies of its crystal show that edge length of its unit cell is 408.6 picometer. Calculate the density of the silver. Atomic mass is equal to 107.9 U. Here the lattice is CCP, means the number of silver atom per unit cell Z is equal to 4. Molar mass 107.9 gram per mole. Edge length is also given 408.6 picometer. We have to calculate density. Density is equal to D is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na. Value of Z 4 into mass 107.9 into 10 raised to power 3 kg per mole divided by edge length 408 0.6 into 10 raised to power minus 12, 1 picometer is equal to minus 12 meter cube into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 gram per mole. After calculating, the value obtained 10.5 into 10 raised to power 3 kg per meter cube is equal to 10.5 gram per centimeter cube. Thank you.